Sport Cruise features both double corner benches up front and a grand corner seating area in the stern. And yes, all the furniture is Matrix 50 soft touch. But what makes the Cruise so special is that it comes in small sizes without sacrificing any attention to detail and quality. And it's available in 2 floor plans, regular and rear bench. Regular has the traditional split rear sun deck housing the optional privacy station and more storage. The rear bench version has a rear-facing bench on the rear deck for more seating instead of the privacy station. All Cruise models come with a Cadet 2 Rotocast helm stand, a powerful 4-speaker Fusion RA55 sound system, a removable table, and the ability to personalize everything from the type and color of your flooring to power performance packages for larger models up to 250 horsepower. With Tahoe's Sport Cruise, you'll be, like the song says, cruising on a Sunday afternoon every day of the year. Sport highlight features include a Cadet 2 helm stand with full gauge cluster and cup holder, a bronze stereo system featuring Fusion stereo with 4 speakers, color matched seat frame cladding, 23-inch pontoons, and Matrix 50 furnishings.